Hello everyone and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today the unboxing will be some kind of unusual because this is the SSD drive for 240 GB. The brand is called Tigo. This is some Hong Kong brand and I bought this for my brother's laptop. Just want to share you unboxing part of this device. In case if somebody will need it, it's cost me like $35. It is the pretty well known in the Asia. 3-year replacement plan, page mapping, some other Chinese stuff, initial bed block report. And I think we are not familiar with this, but this is something that needs the attention. Okay, let's move on and open the box and see what's inside. We have nothing inside. And then Tigo. I assume Tigo is from Tiger, and it has a great photo art of the tiger. This is the just plastic packaging for transportation, and the rest is the back side is Tigo S300 model, 240 GB, SATA free, 6 GB gigabyte per second, and Tigo branding sticker with the QR code that you can scan and find that you are getting the right original product. And the serial numbers. So usually the SATA connections, regularly it can be for laptop, and they are sending for the regular PC SATA cable and the transforming dock for the putting on the regular PCs. But I got this for the laptop, so that's why this came like this. This is it, guys. Quick unboxing of the Tigo. And here is some manual which is all in Chinese. Yes, and how to install. Stay well, stay cool. Peace, guys.